What's up, guys? James living in paradise, hanging out on the beach here in the Caribbean, south of Cancun, about 30 minutes. And I just made $5,556 today. $5,556 in one day. And I'm doing it, how did I do it? I do it like this. I post ads on social media, okay? Like TikTok and Snapchat and Twitter and Facebook and Instagram, okay? People tap on a link or they watch my video, and then what they do is they buy a product or they buy a service or they do both. So I sell products on different websites. The main one is Amazon.com. Amazon pays me commissions on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. And then number two, I teach people how to do it. So I run a very large educational business. I've got about 17 people that work for me, okay? And we put people in business making money on social media. Period. Now, I don't know if you're on social media right now, you probably are, but the question is, as you're watching this video, are you making money? As I'm making this video right now, I'm making thousands. You want to learn how to do it? Tap right here. What's up, guys? James living in paradise, right here in the Caribbean, on the Caribbean Sea in Mexico. These guys are doing a little Mexican dance. They do this probably 20 times a day. They climb all the way to the top of that pole, and then they hang upside down, and they turn, and they fall all the way to the ground hanging upside down. I'm gonna see if I can stay here and show you how it works. But guys, while you're watching this video, I just made $5,556 today, just today already by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, guys, doing three things. Number one, I post ads all over social media. Number two, people click on the ad. And number three, they sign up for my educational service, which is teaching people how to make money online 30 different ways. So if you'd like to learn how to be a coach, how to be a mentor, how to be a consultant, show people how to make money selling the number one product in the world, which is education, okay? Everybody wants it, everybody needs it. I can show you how to make 10 grand in your first month. Contact me right here.